make sure you separate your left side from your right side, or it's gonna be really difficult because it won't work. Okay, you're gonna get your 13mm socket with a short extension. I use a short ratchet because you are working right beside the windshield. Don't want to hit your windshield with the ratchet. You're going to remove this top bolt right here, and then you're going to remove the bolt to the left of the visor. Make sure you do not drop your bolt down behind your panel. Next thing, you will take your long bolt, put it through the bottom of the handle. You're going to take your long spacer on the top. You're going to start it in, short bolt and short spacer on the top. Yes, short bolt, short spacer. Just make sure you have it where they fit into each other. Start the bolt by hand and leave it loose. Then you're going to take your long bolt and your long spacer, slide it in like so. Slide your bolt in and get it started by hand. Now, you take your Allen wrench that is supplied with the kit, and you will tighten everything up. Bolts are long-winded. Might go faster with the socket and ratchet. Just once again, be careful next to the windshield. As your front bracket installed. All right, installing the back grab handles. Kit will come with 4 Allen head bolts, 4 spacers that are all the same length. Remove your 2 soundbar screws using a 10mm socket. Get that bolt started. Put your spacer and bolt on the back side. Remember, always start any bolts by hand before you tighten them up. All right, back grab handle installed.